Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. This is the last one I did, and we're going to try and recreate it using, I think, the same colors. I've had so many compliments on this. I used, what was it, Neon Orange by Apple Barrel. Some sort of a light green that I mixed with emerald green, put a little bit of silver into it, and Artist Loft White. Then I used the black from Artist Loft. And what else did I use? Oh yes, the glow in the dark from Folk Art. So let's try to do another one here. Give me a moment and we're going to set up. Be right back with you. Hang on. Hang-y-do. We are back. And I had to make a little bit of an adjustment. Instead of like sitting here for maybe 20 minutes, making up a new batch of the glow in the dark, I improvised and put a little bit of it into the chamber on the left here, and I alternated it with champagne, so that should give it a little bit of a different color. And with the champagne, it may give it some cells. We shall see. Oh, alrighty, here we go with the marble. If I had to clean off, I want to make sure it's all cleaned. It looks like, well, there's a little bit there. Okay. Kind of hard to see because it's reflective. It like keeps on trying to move. Okay, whatever it is, it's trying to move on me. If you hear any noise down here, that's Princess. We're hoping. We are hoping. Alright, that seems to be good enough. Gosh, it's hard to see. Alrighty. I think we've got it clean. I thought about going with a larger one, but I thought, no. Thought about going with a smaller one. No. I know this marble. Oh. Alright, let's get this. Boop. Hopefully you can see it all. Put the marble where you think the center could be. And let's just pour it out here. See what happens. I'm going to try and do it a little bit slower this time. Try to. I purchased this cup from Mixed Media Girl. It's a 4-chamber, the large one. I truly enjoy it. It's nice and sturdy. It's not flexible. I tried some from Amazon at one point, and I think they were more for resin, but they were so flexible I couldn't do paints in it, that was for sure. I see we have a couple bubbles over here. What you doing, Penny Pen? What you doing? I did measure it for leveling, and I don't know why it's always goes towards the back there. Don't know why. It's gonna run off the back before it's done. That. Let's finish this off with a boop. Alright. Not too much in there left, which is a good thing. Let's roll up the sleeves. Yeah, it's sweater time. Sweater time. Get this little off my finger. And let's roll this marble around. See what we can do. See what kind of designs we can come up with. I too learned this marble trick. There's Princess from Marcy of Mixed Media Girl. Because when I tried it the first time, it was horrible. I had put paints onto the canvas and plopped the marble down into it, and it was just atrocious. Yeah, it did not come out very pretty. There were gaps, and it's like, oh, I'll never do that again. Never, never, never. I tried it again. I think it was the same thing. And then she showed a video on pouring onto the marble with the paints. And I'm like, okay, we'll give it a try again. By golly, she was right. Oh, there's gaps now, but not like there was with my first one. It looks like a demented clown. Oh. Right, let's try and mix these a little bit more. Oh, I can definitely see the champagne in there. Another reason I like this is because they come out like a paisley design. Try not to go into there. Oh, I want to stay out there too. Let's see what we can, oopsie-do. Oh, there's some nice green in that orange there. Okay, let's drop it off the edge and boop. Remember to wash it this time. And let's do some tilting. I hope everybody has had a good weekend. No work for me today. I take Sundays and Wednesdays off. And if anyone is looking for a work-at-home job, inbox me, or not inbox me, put in the comments. So, it took me a little while to get used to it. I think I'm on week 3. I'm certainly enjoying it. Whoopsie-doo. And it's part-time, and there you go. You get a 401k. What? And you get paid bi-weekly, which is quite nicely. Quite nice. Sorry. Quite nicely. Yes. Use words. Real words. I'm trying. Alrighty, we're going to we're going to go wash ourselves and be right back. Hangy ho. And we're back. Did anything change while I was gone? Only took a moment. Got to get this ring into. I gotta take a toothbrush to that because paint keeps on building up over there. It was my mother's ring. Alright, let's take the torchy to it and see if we can bring anything up. Look at the bubbles I'm seeing. They're being popped. Yay. Where are you over here? Okay, I'm not seeing anything different. Are you? Alright, I need you to put your seatbelts and helmets on because we're coming down for a closey-up. I think. Alright, need to stay away from there. There's paint. Okay. Trying to keep my clothes as clean as I can, guys. Here we go. Alrighties. And that's as far back as that chair's going to go today. I just need to do some cleaning around here. In every room. There's those crisp blinds. There's some of the champagne. Trying to get that glare off. Sounds like something is moving in the foil over here. Oh my goodness. This is quite interesting as well as the other one. There's a princess. That was hello, Penny Pins. I'm showing you on camera, but the floor is a bit messy. She and I just came back in from out on the porch. Oh, that's some nice light green in there, isn't it? Well, I don't see any ears or eyes on this one like I did the other, but maybe something will pop up. Maybe. That could be like a ghosty thing. I don't know, but yes. So I want to thank you for joining me this Sunday afternoon, early evening. Gonna head upstairs, reheat some pizza, watch 911, the third episode of season 8. So I've been wanting to watch that. I was going to watch it last night, and Honey Buns called, and that's okay. That's all right. Oh. Okay, guys, you take care, and we will see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys.